choice of one.
Or can you say hi? And
That's plugged into that.
I like the slip lamp is in here. So I'm not a build idea.
talk to you later.
More here? No. I hear you did the decorating, Allison. Oh, we didn't inflate. Look at that bushes back there. That's insert very.
Very good.
You could always be there, right?
Charlotte, right? Or Charlie. I know, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Good cameras.
Really nice.
That's right. This is our living room.
Absolutely. You make it look legit.
Oh, okay.
Oh, your kids have sugar.
Are you gonna be heard?
Yeah, I don't say I didn't my little field. Ian's kids, Allison kids, all the different well, so there will be an HVAC wall unit. No, it's true.
So all these.
This is that room and that's that room and this is the bathroom, that's the twins. I don't know how he do
Yeah, this one's just not heated.
Put two side by side. Two of these would be funny. Yeah, it really would. I just gotta get two little couch. Look at that cute little couch.
It's a self-contained system. They just come out and have.
How you been? I'm doing well.
Mr. Bell.
You can put your shoe.
I'll just take your gift back.
Fred.